My name is Steve Moore. I'm the owner of the Car Vault Restorations. We specialize in muscle cars, European cars, all sorts of restorations. We're in Brownsburg. Okay, 1956 BMW 502. This car is only a two-owner car. First owner purchased this car in Germany and it was their daily driver. It was a family vehicle, and in the weekends the gentleman would take it to Nürburgring and race the car. And then during the week the mother would take her daughter to school in it. So the car's had a long history of racing in Germany. And then at some point in the 70s the family migrated to the US and they brought the car with them. From there it sat in Portland, Oregon for a number of years and unfortunately started to rust, and at that point, I believe in the 90s, an American gentleman purchased the car, and over the course of the last 15 years it's had a restoration to bring it back to life. The restoration was in Chicago before it came down to my shop here in Brownsburg, where we completed the restoration, and the car's only been completed for about 12 months, and so now it's been toured around the USA, going to various car shows.